Have you ever seen a machine hesitate? Because that's the first thing that caught me off guard with this. The Roborock RockMow X1 LiDAR doesn't just roll forward and start chopping grass like it's on autopilot. It pauses, it looks around, it chooses a path. And that tiny moment, right there, that's when you realize this thing is thinking before it cuts. Most lawnmowers don't care where they are. They just survive the lawn. This one studies it. The second it powers on, it starts reading the space like a map. Not flat, not basic. Full 3D. Trees, slopes, edges, walkways, random objects you forgot were even there. It takes all of it in and quietly plans how to move through it. And the movement is what really sells it. Instead of dragging itself around awkwardly, it turns smoothly, almost politely. Tight corners? It pivots cleanly. Slopes? It climbs them without slipping or tearing up the grass. That all-wheel drive setup pushes power exactly where it's needed, so it never looks stressed, even on terrain most mowers would just give up on. What surprised me most is how calm it feels. Uneven ground doesn't throw it off. Bumps don't make it bounce. The suspension keeps the body steady while the cutting deck underneath floats and adjusts, staying close to the grass without digging in. So instead of chaos, you get consistency. The lawn ends up looking intentional, like someone actually cared. And when it gets near edges, it slows down, not because it's confused, but because it's precise. The blades stop just short of walls and borders, trimming close enough that you don't feel that annoying urge to grab a trimmer afterward. When it finishes, it actually feels finished. Then there's obstacle behavior. Kids running through the yard, a pet wandering into frame, a chair that wasn't there 5 minutes ago. It doesn't panic. It doesn't freeze. It spots the obstacle, adjusts its path in real time, and keeps going. Like it expected that interruption all along. Even in low light, it stays confident. And from your phone, you're not just starting and stopping it. You're watching it think, live location, progress tracking, estimated completion, multiple zones, even custom mowing patterns if you want your lawn to look designed instead of just maintained. That's the shift. This isn't a tool you supervise, it's a system you trust. Rain doesn't scare it. A rinse with a hose doesn't hurt it. It's built to live outside, not be babied like a gadget. So yeah, this moment right here, when a lawn robot pauses, scans, and then chooses what to do next, that's not automation anymore. That's behavior. And once you notice it, regular lawnmowers feel unbelievably dumb.